best blush I have come across. This stamp kind of thing which I can use to apply at the edges of my eyes if I want to give that sharp look. So currently I have also applied the same lipstick. You can see it on my lips as well. Punch Pushp Facial Tonic Mist, which I use as the first product on my face. Plump. So hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So this is Deeksha Patil here, and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video I am going to share my current makeup kit in which I am going to showcase all the products which I am currently obsessed with and using it in my regular makeup, like the day-to-day makeup. So let's start the video. So this is my makeup kit. I got this bag from, I think, Plump. So I carry all my essentials inside it. So I'll show you the products in the order I use them on my face. Okay, so let's start with that. So first of all, after cleansing my face, I use this tonic mist from Forest Essential. It's the Punch Pushp Facial Tonic Mist, which I use as the first product on my face. It really makes my feel very fresh, and it has a really nice fragrance, and I have been using this from the last 2-3 years and I'm really in love with this product. Like, this is my go-to thing even if I'm not doing any makeup or any kind of thing. So I'll still apply this mist on my face and it feels so good. And apart from that, so this can be used throughout the day. Anytime you feel like tired and just want to freshen up your look or your face, you just have to open it and pump twice thrice over your face and you're done. After applying the facial tonic mist, I usually proceed with my sunscreen. So currently I am obsessed with this sunscreen from Dot & Key. So this is the vitamin C plus E brightening sunscreen which I am using. It has SPF 50 plus, and I have tried variety of sunscreens, but I think Dot & Key and this variant was the best one which I have ever tried. It's not at all greasy, it's very water based, light, and it doesn't feel like that I have applied something on my face, and it doesn't even feel sticky or greasy, which most of the sunscreen feels like after a while. So this is also one of my go-to product in my regular makeup routine. After I'm done with my sunscreen, I apply my moisturizer. So on day-to-day basis, I want to keep it very light. So I use this Pond's Super Light Gel. So it has a good moisturization which helps me and my skin well to prep before the makeup. So I apply it and it is again lightweight and it feels very watery and soft on the skin. So I use it in my routine. After that, the skin prep, I start with the primer. So I have been using this Perfect Match Primer Water Calm It Down from Color Bar, and it's really nice. I would say after applying this, the makeup glides so nicely and I can blend it very easily, and it gives that dewy finish of the makeup. So I really like this. Like, it doesn't feel like cakey and all that kind of thing. So this is the spray type which I use on my face, and then I proceed with my makeup like the foundation and all the stuff. So this is the one. After that, I apply my foundation. So this is the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. Usually I am not a fan of Mamaearth, but I am in love with this foundation. Like, it has vitamin C and it's not very thick or cakey. It's like very lightweight and very like it has a serum kind of consistency. As you can know by the name, it is Glow Serum Foundation. So it feels very good on my skin, and I have been using this from I think last 2 years and I'm loving it. This is in my regular makeup routine. So this has been a good part of my routine, and it blends so nicely on the skin and it goes well with my skin as well. So I have been loving it, and That's it. After the foundation is done, I usually apply my concealer. So everyone's favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I have been using this from years and I didn't think I have tried any other concealer apart from this. So this is my first makeup product which I have been consistently using it. So this is one of the best concealer which I have come across, and I use it like under my eye and the areas where it's a little bit pigmented or I have hyperpigmentation. I apply it to make the skin even at the places it's not like even. So I use this and it goes well with my skin and it's been helpful in my makeup routine. After that, I'm done with my concealer. I'll set it up with a powder. So I have been using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. So I use this shade 15 light. So this is also one of a good setting powder if you're looking for something. Like I apply it after the concealer or for the baking part of my makeup. So I use this and it sets the makeup so nicely that it doesn't fades away and it feels good and light on the skin. It doesn't leave any spots like the patches of the powder and anything like that. It blends well with my makeup. So meanwhile, once I have applied the setting powder, I'll keep it as it is for like 5 to 10 minutes, and after that at the same time I'll apply my blush. So I'm really loving this Dear Darling tint which I have got from Etude House, and it's in the shade okay, RD307. So I really love the consistency of this blush. I have applied it right now if you can see, and it's like a very watery and feels so light on the skin, and it doesn't gives me those pimple or bumps on my skin which usually powder blushes when I do. So I use it on my no makeup days look, or any day which I'm not in a mood to do makeup. I just apply a little bit of tint over my cheekbones and the areas which I want to cover with the blush, so just to get that fresh look. So I apply this. So this is one of the cutest blush I have come across. Meanwhile, and the setting powder is still there, so I'll apply my lip liner. So this is the lip liner which I have been using in my regular makeup routine. It's from Swiss Beauty. Yeah, this is from Swiss Beauty. So I have been using this nude colored eyeliner to line my lips so that I can apply my lipstick nicely, because otherwise I'll just disturb the area where I have to apply the lipstick. So I'll outline it with this lip liner, and once I'm done with the outlining of the lips, so then I'll apply a lip balm. So I genuinely apply and use this Himalaya lip balm, and it is one of the best lip balm that I have been using from years. So I use this over the lip liner and I'll just leave it as it is. I won't apply too much amount. Like I'll just apply a little bit amount of lip balm over my lips, and then I'll be done. After that, it will be the time for my lipstick. So I'll apply my lipstick, whichever shade I'm going through. So usually on my regular routine, I apply this nude colored lipstick. So currently I am using this. It's not necessary that I'm using this lipstick every day, but it was in my kit right now because I have been applying this from a while, I think. So this is the liquid lipstick from Pilgrim, Match Me Up. So currently I have also applied the same lipstick. You can see it on my lips as well. So this lipstick is very soft and it feels very smooth on my lips, and I just feel like velvet when I apply it. So this is one of the go-to product in my makeup kit nowadays. So meanwhile, I'll be done with the setting powder. Then I'll wipe it around my eyes with the help of a brush or a tissue paper or my fingers. Then after that, it will be the part of my eyes. So first of all, I'll apply my eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner which I have been currently using. This is the Craze Swiss Beauty eyeliner. Like, don't see the packaging, it becomes like this after a while. So what I do is that it has two applications. First one is this stamp kind of thing which I can use to apply at the edges of my eyes if I want to give that sharp look. And other than that, I have this bold pen style which I usually apply to apply my eyeliner. Usually used to apply my eyeliner, which I have used right now. So this is the eyeliner, and I don't go out without applying eyeliner. So this is my must product which I use in my routine. So this is the one, girls. After that, once I'm done with the eyeliner, then I'll use this eyelash curler. It's very cute. I got this from, I think, from DIY. So it works like this is how it is. I just have to put my lashes inside it and just press it, so they'll get curled up a little bit. So I use this one, and after that, when I'm done with the lashes, then I will apply my mascara. So this is the lightweight current mascara. Like, I use other mascaras as well, but on regular basis I want to keep it very light and subtle. So I use this volumizing mascara from Blue Heaven, and it's very lightweight, and I like the texture it gives to my eyelashes, because I don't want to make it very heavy on the regular basis. So I use this one. After that, sometimes I do apply this eyebrow defining powder. So this is from My Glam. So it also has two things. Like, on the one side it has this one kind of thing which I can use on my brows, and it's in the brown shade, and on the other side it has this eyeliner kind of thing. It's also in brown color. So if I want to use it on my eyes or something like that, so I use it. So this is it, and that's how I'm done with my makeup, and it's empty. So that is it about my everyday makeup kit which I use to do my makeup regularly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.